If you're still paying a fortune for premium AI video generators just to get cinematic results, you are burning your cash. I tested almost every AI video tool on the market, and it turns out that these 4 completely free tools actually beat the most expensive paid options available right now. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to access them, how to maximize their free tiers, and the exact prompts you need to get Hollywood quality results without spending a single dime. If you're seeing me for the first time, this is Forge Saga. I show you free AI tools that save you time and money. If you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe and like this video to support the channel. Now, let's jump in. Number 1 is Veo 3.1, Google DeepMind's most powerful cinematic video engine. While other platforms hide this behind a massive paywall, you can actually use it entirely for free. The secret: access it directly inside Google AI Studio. Once you're in the studio, look at the settings panel. You can generate clips up to 8 seconds long with absolutely no watermark. Number 2, Seedance 2.0, powered by ByteDance. Right now, this is hands down the most generous free tier on the entire internet. They give you a staggering 100 credits every single day. Unlike other tools that force you into low-resolution previews on their free plans, Seedance 2.0 gives you full HD quality with absolutely no watermark. It is an incredible AI B-roll generator. Look at the steam rising off this pizza. The environmental lighting matches perfectly, because it excels at maintaining character and object consistency across multiple shots. It's perfect for content creators who need clean, professional footage fast. Number 3 is Kling AI. Kling is an absolute beast for one specific reason. It offers the best physics and motion engine of any tool I've tested. Instead of a monthly allowance that runs out in an hour, Kling refreshes your account with 66 free credits every single day. That gives you roughly 5 high-quality video generations daily, completely free. Where Kling truly shines is macro movement. Look at how seamlessly this animal eye adjusts its focus and blinks. The skin tissue moves naturally without that typical AI melting effect. Compared to other free tools, Kling just feels more real. Less wobble, less weird hands, less melting. Pro tip: use detailed motion words in your prompt like slowly turning or subtle breathing and Kling will nail it. If you want believable movement, this is the tool. And finally, number 4, Pika AI. Pika is the creative editing king of AI video tools. While other tools make you start from scratch, Pika lets you take any video you already have and completely transform it. You get 80 free credits every single day. That's about 6 to 7 generations daily without paying anything. Where Pika absolutely dominates is in video to video. You can change the style, change the background, or even change what's happening in the scene. Look at this. We took a normal walking clip and turned it into anime, then into 3D animation, then into a cinematic movie scene, all from the same original video. It also has lip sync, sound effects, and camera motion controls built right in, so you can make the camera zoom, pan, or shake to match the vibe. If you're a TikTok, Reel, or Shorts creator who needs to repurpose content fast, Pika will save you hours of editing time. It's not the most realistic for physics, but for creativity and speed, nothing beats Pika right now. The link is in the description, so go ahead and try it for yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications for more free AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.